Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy steps to apply winged eyeliner like a pro. So let's get started. Choose any eyeliner that you love. You can choose any brand, so I'm choosing Blue Heaven eyeliner. Draw a line as close as possible to your eyelashes. Extend a line with a thin tail past the outer corner of the eye. Fill the wing with the thickness of your liking. A thinner line will extend your eye, whereas a thicker will open up to the eye. Finish the liner by starting near the tear duct and meeting the original line. Do same with the other eyes. So guys, this is the final look which you will get. Choose a kajal to fill the gaps between the eyes. If there is any gap, the kajal will fill up those gaps. So guys, this is the final look which you will get. Thank you.